Okay, so now you look at examples J, K, and L carefully at their structure and made some comments as to what you notice about these examples. Let's try a few together. So example J, notice how in this case we're still just multiplying two binomials. So this means multiply here. So it's a 2-term times 2-termed problem. So I'm going to make a 2 by 2 box. So I'll make a 2 by 2 box. And then here I'm going to go ahead and put x plus 6 along the side. So x will go here on this first row, plus 6 will go in the second. And then this x minus 6 I'm going to run along the top as x and then minus 6. So now we're ready to multiply again. X times x will give us x squared. Negative 6 times x will fill in this little box. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Down in this empty box, it's 6 times x. That's just 6x. And then to finish this empty box, it's 6 times negative 6. That's negative 36. And so again, guys, when you use the box method to multiply polynomials, once the box is filled in, you're done multiplying. Your last job is then going to be to see if you can have any combining like terms. So again, it'll be typical in our questions here to have like terms at a diagonal. So because I have that, I can combine these terms. But in this case, what is 6x minus 6x? And if you notice, they're going to be opposites. Guys, these are opposites. And we know that opposites cancel. So in this case, these two go away. So I'm left with an answer of x squared minus 36. Notice how there is no third term here, unlike the other examples. These cancel out. So what about example K? Again, looking at the structure of how this is built compared to J, and looking forward to example L, let's try this one. It's a binomial times a binomial, a 2 by 2. So again, using the box, I'll make a 2 by 2 square. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and place 3x minus 2 along this side here. So 3x and then minus 2. So 3x, then minus 2. Over the top, I'm going to put 3x plus 2 here. So 3x plus 2. And I'll multiply. So for this first empty box, 3x times 3x, well, 3 times 3 will be 9, and then x times x is x squared. So this is 9x squared. So 9x squared. In this next empty box, 3x times 2 is 6x. This goes here. Down here, 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. And then to finish this problem, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, which goes in this box. Again, once we're here, we're done multiplying, but again, I have like terms. And again, in this example, notice how my like terms are going to be opposites again. So we know that opposites cancel, so here my answer is going to be 9x squared minus 4. So guys, with that, let's think about example L and then see what patterns you pick up on in these kind of examples based on how they're built.